So my dad's always been a dentist since I've been a little kid. So obviously I was exposed to dentistry from an early age. But the big thing was when my brother took a baseball bat and he swung and hit an exercise ball. And the bat came back up and hit him right in the face. And he knocked out 2 of his front teeth, and my dad came in and fixed them all up. So ever since that day, I've kind of been interested in dentistry. So I think a dentist needs to be caring. I think they need to have a great attention to detail. And finally, I think they need to be a great communicator, because a lot of the times you don't know what's going on in your mouth. You've never really looked at your teeth. So a dentist needs to be able to convey that to people. Well, that's a great question. We have a lot of kids in our practice, and what we do is we bring them in, we kind of show them everything that we're going to be doing. We try and make them very comfortable. We take it slow, make sure that they understand that we're not going to surprise them with anything, and that kind of calms their nerves. And then after that, it's usually smooth sailing. That's a great question. I know every year we kind of have that competition. When I was playing basketball, I made quite a number in a row. I think it's somewhere in the 90s, maybe early 100s, so it was pretty long ago though. There's no real question here. Obviously I'd win. If you said maybe 15 years ago, maybe longer, it might be a close game, but not anymore. I had the privilege of volunteering up in a town called Moose Factory. It's in Northern Ontario. And the big thing that you learn up there is that people up there don't really have a great access to dental care. And so I think it's very important for us to go up there, kind of provide care for them, but also educate them just because they don't really have that access. The best thing about being a dentist is definitely the patients and how you interact with them on a day in, day out basis. You have a wide range of patients. You have some CEOs, you have people working at the Tim Hortons, just everything in between, and it's really nice to just see everyone and get to know them and kind of hear their stories too. So working with my dad has been amazing. He gives me kind of the room to learn the way I learn, but he also is there for me whenever I have questions or anything like that. Even when he's not in the office, he's just a phone call away, so it's been really, really nice to have him here as a mentor and also as a father. So yeah, it's been fantastic.